Hello, dear students. Welcome you all to the 25th lecture of Ruler Marketing. And today's topic of discussion is marketing of machinery. So here basically we are going to discuss the marketing of agri equipment. So first of all, let's see what are the different equipments used in agriculture. So first we have categorized it based on their uses. So for land development, seed bed preparation, we need tractors, plotters, dozers, scrapers. Then sowing and planting, we need seed drillers, seed gum, fertilizer drillers, zero-till drillers. Then weeding, intercultivation, plant protections. So all these are equipments required. Then harvesting, harvesters we require, diggers are required. And then post harvest also we need certain kind of equipment like seed extractors are there, cleaners are there, mill, dryers. All these are the agriculture equipments which are required. Then we will talk about what are the major players in. Then we will see what are the major players in marketing in agri machinery. So John Deere India Private Limited, it is the market leader. International Tractor Limited, or another name is Sonalika. Tafe Motor and Transport Tractors Limited, Escorts Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, CNH International Private Limited. So these are the major players and players in agri equipments. And if we will see that how the loans are being given for the agriculture machinery and equipment. So more than 90% of the farmers avail bank credit to buy equipments, machinery and equipments. And only a small portion of annual sales of tractors, like 5 to 10%, takes place without the credit support. And the same is accounted for tractors purchased by government agencies, corporate bodies, and non-agriculture users. So basically, the purchase of agri machinery depends upon the credit availability, we can say. Few steps has been taken by government of India to enhance and pace the agriculture machineries, under which to provide as financial assistance to the farmers and other target groups for purchase of different kind of farm equipments, their demonstration of new equipments among farmers for spread on new technology, human resource development in operations, maintenance, repair, management of agriculture machinery, and the quality improvement through testing and evaluation based international credit and financial measures. Apart from this, the farm machinery training and testing institutes are there, which are in Bundi, which is in Madhya Pradesh, Hisar, Haryana. Similarly, in Andhra as well as in Assam, also Government of India has been established institutes which plays a vital role in promoting agriculture machinization. Now, distribution, how we distribute machineries, agri machineries, what is the distribution channel? So basically the distribution channel is our traditional distributors are there and which sell directly to the farmers. Like cars, we have seen that dealers or distributors are there through which we can buy our cars. So similarly for agri equipment also distributors are there which supply the product to farmers. Apart from this, if some new R&D is happening in some R&D center or in a company and they want to test their equipment, so they do a contract with the farmers. So new equipment they first test in farmers' land, and that is the win-win situation for both farmers as well as for the company, because farmers they get their done by the machinery, and for the company they get the primary data or the performance of the new technology they can measure out of this. So beta testing is also done for these new equipments. And there is subsidies provided by Government of India to the farmers. There are direct subsidies and indirect subsidies also. Direct subsidies means direct cash to the farmers to purchase agri machineries, and indirect tax is like agriculture income is tax free, we know that, but most preferred is the direct cash for the farmers. So you see, first we discuss about first P, that was the product. In that we have discussed the different categories of products comes under agri machinery. Then we discuss about the competitors and how the purchasing of those agri machineries happen. Then what are the initiatives taken by the Government of India to promote the uses of equipments and machines in agriculture sector so that they can improve the production. And there we have discussed various training and testing institutes. Then we have seen that how the distribution happened for the agri machinery. Now here we go to a very, very important topic for you people. There is a project which you have to do, which is of 5 marks, and these 5 marks will be counted in your final evaluation also. So be very, very careful while you are doing these projects. So 4 projects I am giving you here, and I have divided these projects among you. So 1 to 3, 1, 2, and 3 roll numbers will do the first project. In this, you have to visit a bank branch in your locality. And you need to find documents required for availing Kishan credit card loans. Also, you need to interact with KCC borrowers and find out their problems faced by him or her in availing the loans. You need to prepare a report out of that. Okay, some 5 to 10 pages report you need to prepare, and you need to submit it. The date of submission I will tell you, and surely it will be before the finishing of the syllabus in the same month, July itself. Second project is visit the nearest FCI godown, study their procurement process and storage facility. You need to take pictures also. Wherever you are going, you need to take pictures with the person whom you are meeting, okay? And you need to paste that picture in your report also. So roll number 4, 5, and 6 will do this project. Third project is visit a local marketing cooperative and study its business model. Roll number 7, 8, and 9 will do, and it would be good. It is an individual project, so it would be good that you all visit different cooperatives, because in university there are various cooperative organizations are there. So different cooperatives, you can talk with each other and decide which one will take which cooperative. And then finally, fourth one is study a local SSG, that is self-help groups, attend and document its meeting. Roll number 10, 11, 12, and 13 will do this project. And here also you need to take different self-help groups. Okay, so these are the 4 projects which you need to do in this subject. So we have finished marketing of machinery also. So this was the topic which we was discussing from last 4 modules or 4 lectures, and it comes under the topic which was agriculture inputs. Okay, so under agriculture inputs we have discussed the marketing of seeds, marketing of fertilizers, pesticides, and machinery. So this is finished, and tomorrow's lecture we will start a new topic. So I hope today's lecture is clear and you are very clear about the project which you need to do. If you have any confusion regarding any topic, please ping me, or you can call me also. I will solve your query there. Thank you so much for watching today's video.